No, 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 no. Huh? Yeah.
Si tú tienes muchas ganas de hacer miau. Si tú tienes muchas ganas de hacer miau.
睡觉了。
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
If I ever did anything right in my entire life, it was when I gave birth to you.
Huh? Huh?
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird? There he is. The perfect man.
Nom 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 nom.
I need to do my work.
Huh?
Oh, no, 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 no. Hey! Ciao, man. Sit. Give me a pull. Everybody's so obsessed when girls bite their bottom lip, but I'm like, bite your top lip for me, baby. You my little piranha. Ah, la, la.
Oh la la! Oh well. King in the castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair.
Oh my god. Y'all, there's a dog. I found a dog and I don't know if he's mad at me or he's happy. Look, this is not my dog. Look. Y'all, is he mad or is he happy? Is he smiling? What is he doing? I don't know. I don't know.
Just lick his chops. Bert, are you a lot? Are you a lot?
Here we go. Remember, I had 6 oranges, and then I gave 2 to Moose, remember? How many oranges do I have left?
4.
4. Should we count to make sure? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Check out ingredients and have the confidence to know how to work. So I slowly build the confidence with...
Go ahead. I'm in the ghetto. I'm sorry, Josie.